Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your site needs consistent author bylines, an accessible contact page, and clean navigation so Google can crawl it. Once done, log into Google Publisher Center and link the same property that you verified in Search Console to prove ownership. Next, gather 5 to 10 representative articles with proper HTML structure and metadata. This helps your initial submission look authoritative. Make sure feeds or sections you'll submit are stable, because early impressions shape inclusion chances. Now you configure the Publisher Center. Add a publication, set its title, language, and primary website URL so Google knows what to index. Then define sections by adding RSS or Atom feeds, site section patterns, or URL filters. This tells Google which content to surface. Once sections are added, upload high-resolution logos and set branding. These assets appear in listings. Also label content types, opinion, video, live, because correct labels improve user trust and help Google place your articles in appropriate news surfaces. Finally, submit your publication for inclusion and actively monitor index coverage and performance in Search Console to track impressions and crawl errors. If you encounter problems, blocked robots, missing structured data, or slow loading pages, fix them promptly because they directly affect eligibility. If a section is denied, correct the specific issues noted, resubmit only that section, and continue publishing consistent, high-quality content. Frequency and reliability matter. One troubleshooting tip: check mobile rendering and structured data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.